voice of the wisdom words of the Lord.
Can't you hear me calling as I stand here in the doorway? I stand alone along the road. Son, did you hear me? Did you feel me as I wait your corner of me? Listen close and you will hear. Listen what I'm trying to say. My words are true and all. So just open up your heart and you will surely see blessings all will come your way. I was there and I remember. I was there when you formed the earth.
Mahalo Diyos. The last song we'd like to do for you is called Kalibo Emilia. This melody expresses the many joys of love. The lehuo flower is used to describe the love that creates a stir in the hearts of the lovers. Mahalo.